If you want to charge your Xiaomi 17, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so. We have the wired method and the wireless method, and I'm going to actually start with the latter one. So over here I have my wireless charging pad. In order to charge my Xiaomi 17 wirelessly, I just have to place it on top of the wireless charging pad, and there we go, we are charging pretty much immediately. Of course, if there is no connection, if the phone doesn't start charging, you might need to adjust its position, make sure that it is positioned in the center of the wireless charger. So you might want to move it up and down a little bit. And once the connection is working, then of course, now we can leave it as it is. And there is no need to enable anything in the settings. There is no option that has to be enabled or something like that in order to start charging wirelessly. You just place it, you just place the phone on top of the charger and it works just fine. And there we go. Of course, it doesn't really have to be a specifically a wireless charging pad like this one. This can be anything that provides power wirelessly through like a pad or something. So this can be even your wireless charger in your car if you have one, of course. This can also be used in order to charge your phone, and it works just fine. But of course, the fastest charging speed is usually provided via power adapter or charger. So this is what you are looking for. You want to use it in order to be able to quickly charge your phone. And ideally, you want to use a wireless charger that has USB-A port, like this one over here, because the original cable that we get inside the box is USB-A to USB-C. So it fits this kind of port over here, and then the port also, and that we have on our phone. Of course, if you want to, you can use a different power adapter with USB-C port, but of course, in that case, you have to use a different cable as well. Nevertheless, once you connect your cables, your cable, so once you plug it into the power adapter and then also to the phone, then you should be able to start charging it. So let's give it a try. We're gonna plug it in. There we go. And we are charging straight away. And that is pretty much it. Of course, it doesn't really have to be a power adapter. Essentially, any wired method works, meaning that anything that provides power via USB works. So if you don't have a power adapter yet or a charger, but you want to charge your Xiaomi 17 and you do not have a wireless charger or anything like that, you can use, for example, your computer or laptop. This can be your, I don't know, like power bank, your car, once again, if you have like a USB port or something. So anything that provides power via USB cord, it should work and you should be able to charge your Xiaomi 17. Of course, the charging speed might be quite slow using these methods, maybe except for the power bank. It can be quite fast, but still they are usable, and in critical situations you should be able to charge your Xiaomi 17 even with those devices or your car, of course. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.